Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Today, we will talk about how to connect AC fans commonly used in AHU projects. AHU air handling system, commonly used in data centers, biomedicine, electronics industry, semiconductors, household appliances, and other fields. AC fans have gradually replaced traditional AC fans due to their excellent performance. Its structure is more compact, low noise, energy-saving, and environmental protection, which make it the best choice for AHU retrofit and new construction projects. The AC fan integrates the motor with the control unit, so there will be differences in wiring compared to traditional AC fans. New users may not be very proficient in wiring. Don't worry, EBM technical engineers can help you handle it with just one click. There are 3 steps in wiring AC fans for the AHU project. Step 1. Connect to 3-phase electric power with 380 volts. Step 2. Connect the control line for the fan speed. We short-circuited the Vout and IO2 to achieve full speed operation of the fan. Step 3. Power on operation. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.